Hi guys, room tour. Room tour daw. Yan. Aray. So, ito yung kanilang CR. May hand wash. That's me. Merong shower. May heater. Walang, ayun, may shampoo, may body wash. Ito dito. Here, sa side nito, pwede ka mag-hanger ng kung ano-ano. Ito yung mga control, ano nila. Tapos may maliit na salamin. Tapos basurahan, dalawa. Yan, may TV, may electric fan. May bolt, safe bolt. Ano to? Hangiran. Yeah, hangiran. Ang ganda ng kortina nila. Negative. So, ito yung kama namin. Yung si Honey na hindi ko alam kung ano na naman ang ano niya. Ito yung aircon namin. Nila. Maganda naman guys. Maganda yung ano. Magkano ito? 2,200 per night. Ito. Ay, shoot. Yung view. Wala. Kaya nga. Yan. Yan guys.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Take flight. So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time? What's your mind's eye? Been flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Take flight. So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time? What's your mind's eye? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here. Every single second I just feel like I should say that I'm so glad I couldn't quit you. Every single moment I just hope you feel the same. It heals me when you say that you're down. Take flight. So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, what's your mind's eye?